Wisdom Quotes on Marble by Olusegun Hassan. 1. Quotes on savings. 2. Quotes on investment. 3. Quotes on money. 4. Quotes on true wealth. 5. Quotes on vision. 6. Quotes on dreams. 7. Quotes on business. 8. Quotes on entrepreneurship. 9. Quotes on belief. 10. Quotes on life. 11. Quotes on success. 12. Quotes on problem. 13. Quotes on challenges. 14. Quotes on innovation. 15. Quotes on marriage. Wisdom Quotes on Marble by Olusegun Hassan. Number 1. Quotes on savings. The poorest man in the world is not a man without a kobo in his pocket or bank account, but a man without a goal and a direction. Number 2. Without savings, attainment of true wealth and success is not possible. 3. A man's level of foolishness can be measured by how much money he carries in his pocket every day to beer parlor, gambling center, nightclubs, boutique, and supermarkets. 4. A financially successful man is an ordinary man who has mastered and developed an extraordinary money saving skill. 5. The golden rule of life is that if a man follows the systematic chronic habits of saving a proportion of all the money he earns and receives in all ways, then he is practically sure to place himself in a position of financial independence and financial freedom. Every income earner wants to be rich and wealthy, but it's your savings habit that will ultimately determine where you will eventually end up. 7. If you have the dream of becoming wealthy and highly successful in life, then regularly saving a portion of your income for investment purposes is compulsory and not optional, non-negotiable. A wise man forfeits a perfect present to create a perfect future. If enjoying the present will create a future problem, what should give any man joy should not be his ability to spend money, but his ability to save money. Psychologically, associate pain with spending, while you associate joy with savings. Be more excited about savings than spending. 10. All men must suffer from one of two pains: the pain of discipline or the agonizing deep pain of regret later in life. The difference is that while discipline weighs ounces, regret weighs tons.